Unlocking the power of passive voice with modal verbs for ability. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic: modal verbs for ability in passive voice. This may sound complex at first, but don't worry, we'll unravel it together, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use modal verbs to indicate ability, all while employing the passive voice effectively. Let's start with a quick recap. Modal verbs are auxiliary or helping verbs that express various conditions or attitudes: ability, permission, possibility, necessity, and more. Examples include can, could, may, might, should, must, and so on. The passive voice, on the other hand, is a way of constructing sentences where the focus is on the action, rather than the doer of the action. It often uses forms of be and the past participle of a verb. For instance, the cake was eaten. Before we jump into passive voice, let's quickly review how modal verbs for ability work in active voice. 1. Can, could. We use can for present ability and could for past ability or theoretical situations in the present. 2. Example: I can swim. Present ability. 3. Example: I could swim when I was a kid. Past ability. 4. Be able to. We use be able to in various tenses where can or could are not suitable. 5. Example: I will be able to finish the report by tomorrow. Future ability. Now, let's see how these verbs function when used in passive sentences. 1. Can, could. The structure here is can, could plus be plus past participle. 2. Example: this task can be done by tomorrow. Present ability. 3. Example: the letter could be sent yesterday. Past ability. 4. Be able to. The structure for this is be plus able to plus be plus past participle. 5. Example: the issue will be able to be resolved by next week. Future ability. Remember, the passive voice is all about emphasizing the action or the object, rather than who is performing the action. It's especially useful when the doer is unknown or irrelevant. Now, let's try some practice exercises. You'll see sentences in active voice with modal verbs, and your task is to transform them into passive voice. 1. She can solve the problem. 2. He could lift the box. 3. We will be able to organize the event. I'll provide the answers at the end of this video, so stick around. So, there you have it, folks. A thorough understanding of modal verbs for ability in passive voice. It's a very useful skill, especially in academic and formal writing. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to practice the exercises we covered. Happy learning, and see you in the next video. Answers to the practice exercises. 1. The problem can be solved. 2. The box could be lifted. 3. The event will be able to be organized.